How's it going, guys? I'm here to talk to you guys about the Rage Trypan. Now, this mechanical broadhead, it is awesome. Like, just look how sleek it looks. It's made out of titanium. It has over a 2-inch cut diameter. And I mean, this is going to do damage. The coolest thing about it is this no collar technology, so you don't have to worry about always having those pesky collars with you. It's good to go until it hits impact. Has a hypodermic tip. And like a hypodermic needle, those things do damage. This thing is lightweight. It's 100 grains, so it's going to go really well with that 100 grain broadhead if that's what you shoot. It's really ridiculous. If you just look how easy it is, it's applied right now, and with that no collar, all you gotta simply do is just slide these blades upwards and just press them in, and now they're locked in, ready for flight, and they aren't going to deploy until impact. I'm really excited to get after some deer with these this year. The archery deer hunts in Arizona, and this is a must for going into this year if you are going to be shooting a mechanical broadhead for deer or even predators or something along those lines. So definitely go try it out, the Rage Trypan, and yeah, it's got my seal of approval. That is for sure.